Well, hello there. Bear with me here for a second. Trying to set up and manage the stream. Alright, so I'm gonna be scanning here in a minute. Alright, so see if somebody joins the stream or not. Not sure if how many people is gonna be joining the stream. There was something that I didn't have scheduled. I want to see what you guys are looking at here. Okay, I'm sharing my windows. Having a mojito here. Mojito. Enjoying the weekend. I just wanted to be here for a couple of minutes to scan the market here with you guys and show you what I am looking for over the next couple of days. I'm going to be having the first thing that you should know is I have SONN over the $2.60 was the price high, 265. I'm going to set up an alert here. I'm going to set an alert. Create an alert over 265. So I'm gonna put an alert that suits at 66 to 66. Alert created. 265 prior high on the daily, and I have this at 257 trend line for that support. Oh yeah, let's enjoy the mojito here. Hoping that you guys are having a good weekend though. Again, I just wanted to come through real quick and do some scanning. For the next couple of days. Show you guys what I'm looking for. Pfizer is something that I have an eye on. I'm gonna be putting some alerts on a couple of names. But we're gonna start looking at this here. Here's one of the things that I just want to let you know. One of the things that I do, make sure that I can see a couple of setups, right? I want to make sure that the daily looks good. If you notice right there, that daily chart, look at right here, the last day ramped up with a little bit of volume. pardon me. We have the volume there on this last candle been 9.8 million shares traded in the last day. If you notice, the average volume is about 500,000 shares per day, even less. We got an average here of about 400,000 per day. Most of the days have 200, 400, 300. Some have 500, but this last day, SALM ramped up and broke the resistance on the last 100 moving average on the last 100 days. So we got the simple moving average 100 right here sitting at 116. We broke that one and we testing the 134, pulled back a little bit on the daily. We got a high 135 and an average on the 50, simple moving average of 134. So you got a little bit of a rejection right there. For the next week, I'll be expecting that we might see this one go higher. I have no idea what the news is on this thing, and so let me just open up. Being moving averages here, 121, 120, 123, but I'm not sure what this thing might do. So logging into trading platform here, see if we're gonna find some news. Just bear with me for a second here. Oh, mojitos. Testing pretty good. Pretty good. So let's see here. We're gonna check on the news on that one, but let's see CODX. I'm looking for some stocks with different decent formation. Let's see stochastics on the 20. I'll let that one go for now. We're gonna look at a scanner here. Let me see something that has bounce consolidation here. All right, guys. So just gonna take a minute here. This one is bouncing on. Looking for a little bit of a better formation here on some names. SPACs seem to be moving in the after hours. Probably have some news. This is something that it will be worth watching over the next couple of days. Here's the reason why. We got a little nice range here, all the way to the high here of 2160. What the after hour? It's 1649. We're gonna put a straight line here. We're gonna edit this one, change the color. I'm gonna put the light, actually this blue here, make a difference. All right, so in the after hours, got the high here, push there, $0.50 is resistance, pull back a little bit, but we have this range between the 1649 and 2160 on a daily. So we're gonna keep an eye on that one. It's probably has some decent news. I gotta check what the news are on those. My apologies, I had to turn off the volume. My kids were yelling too loud, and All right, so SPAC. All right, so the news here. All right, so they have. Seems like they going through a deal with some billionaire that's putting a blank check on that company there. So it seems like this thing might ramp up over the next couple of days there. Another one that I want to add. So let me just make sure that I'm going to add this one back here to keep an eye on it for next week. SPAC blank check deal. Deal could be worth $5 billion. That could be a pretty decent thing. And the other company that I want to check, let me see, SONN. No news for now on that one, but the technical levels seem to be working pretty decent. And which one was the other one that I added? SALM. We got no news on that one there, but it seems like it's pushing higher. So we'll see what's happening with that over the next couple of days. For now, I'm gonna keep moving forward. I just want to show you guys a couple of things that might look decent. Okay, we got this one close to, and this is an energy sector name. The energy sector names have pulled back too strong over the last month or so, and we're due for a little bit of a bounce. The thing is that as states and places reopen, people are gonna end up using a little bit more gas, right? So I think we might end up seeing how stocks like this one start getting up and getting a little bit more demand over the next couple of days. We see this one, PDCE. Let's check out the news. All right, so they're offering some senior notes. It seems like they are raising money. So pretty much what they're doing is raising capital, offering senior notes to people that actually want to buy into those. And 65 cents, so 266 for next week. That might end up being a decent decent play along, because we have a pretty decent range to the upside. So again, just wanted to come through for a couple of minutes and be with you for a little bit of time. And for now, I'll let you guys go. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy weekend, happy trading, and remember to keep being